In this video, I'll show you how to request a signature on Docusign step by step so you can send documents for e-signature quickly and efficiently. Start by logging into your Docusign account, and from your dashboard click Start or Send to begin a new document. Upload your file, or choose a template if you want a faster setup with a structured layout. Next, add recipients by entering their names and email addresses carefully, and include a clear subject and message so they understand the purpose of the document. Once done, click Next to enter the editor, where you can drag and drop signature fields, date fields, and other required inputs onto the document. Make sure each field is assigned to the correct recipient to avoid delays or confusion. After placing all fields, review everything carefully and then click Send. Your recipients will receive an email prompting them to sign electronically. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.